Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to send automated WhatsApp messages to industrial plants and machinery IndiaMART Enquiries. So here I'm running my industrial plants and machinery business, and through IndiaMART I'm receiving a lot of inquiries for my business. Now what I want is that as I'm going to receive a new inquiry through IndiaMART for my business, then automatically I want to send an automated message on WhatsApp to my inquiry. So here for sending the message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use Wati, and for my objective, I need to build a connection between IndiaMART and Wati. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a new inquiry through IndiaMART for my business, then automatically I'm going to send a message on WhatsApp by using Wati. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can send automated WhatsApp messages to industrial plants and machinery IndiaMART inquiries. So imagine I'm running a business that deals with industrial plants and machinery, and I regularly receive inquiries from potential buyers via IndiaMART. But manually responding to each inquiry with initial information or follow-up messages can be time consuming and may lead to delayed responses, especially when inquiries came in after business hours. So here what I want is, I want to automate sending WhatsApp messages to potential customers immediately after they submit an inquiry to maintain engagement and provide quick responses. So with the help of Pabbly Connect, I can automate the process of sending WhatsApp messages to these inquiries as soon as I'm going to receive a new inquiry, and it will ensure prompt communication and potentially increases the chances of conversion. So here for sending the messages on WhatsApp, I'm going to use Wati. Now as I'm going to receive a new inquiry for my business of industrial plants and machinery, then automatically I will send an automated message on WhatsApp to my new inquiry. Now here for this, what I need to do is, I need to simply build a connection or an automation between IndiaMART and Wati, and for that I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So with Pabbly Connect, I can build this connection without any coding and programming skills, and here for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab. And here I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. And here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button. And this will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account or we are an existing user, then we can click on sign in, and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and here we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So for using Pabbly Connect, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is, I need to create a new workflow, and for creating a new workflow, I need to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send automated WhatsApp messages to industrial plants and machinery IndiaMART inquiries. Now what I need to do is, I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And here I have this particular folder of IndiaMART, so I'm going to select this. And now I need to click on Create. And here this will direct us to this window. Here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here what I need to do is, I need to first set up my trigger, and here in our workflow, we can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up my trigger, I need to first search for my trigger application, and here my trigger application is going to be IndiaMART. So I'm going to search for that, and I need to select IndiaMART here. Now I have to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and new leads will be my trigger event. So I can use this trigger event for every new inquiry or the new leads. So I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is, I need to connect IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And for that, I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to copy this webhook URL. And now I need to first take you to my IndiaMART account. And now here for connecting IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect, what I need to do is I need to add my webhook. So as I'm going to add my webhook, then automatically as I'm going to receive a new inquiry for my industrial plants and machinery business, then automatically that inquiry detail will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So here for connecting IndiaMART, I need to go to Lead Manager. And now I need to click on this menu button. And here I need to go to Import/Export Leads. And here I'm going to use Push API. So I'm going to open this. And now in Push API, I need to create a new API integration. And for creating a new Push API integration, I need to first select my source. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I don't have my source. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Other as my source. And now I need to fill all these details. So first I need to give my platform name. And here I want to connect Pabbly Connect with IndiaMART. So I'm going to give Pabbly Connect as my platform name. So I'm going to type that. And now I have added my platform name. So I need to give my webhook listener URL. So here in this tab, what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I have to click on Save Details. Now I need to first select the option why I want to create this API integration. So I can open this tab and I can select any random option. So I'm going to select that. And now what I need to do is I need to click on Generate OTP button. And after clicking here, I need to fill the OTP that I'm going to receive on my mobile number. And after filling the OTP, I can connect Pabbly Connect with IndiaMART. And every time I'm going to receive a new inquiry in IndiaMART for my business, then automatically that inquiry will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So here I need to click to Generate OTP button. And I have successfully added my OTP and I have connected IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So here we can see I have added my webhook listener URL. And now what I need to do is I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect. Now here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, what I need to do is I need to create a new inquiry in my IndiaMART account for my industrial plants and machinery business. And as I will create that inquiry, then automatically that inquiry will be sent to Pabbly Connect. But right now in my IndiaMART account, I don't have any listed product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a test inquiry. So as I'm going to generate a test inquiry, then automatically that test inquiry will be sent to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to get that response here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm only going to generate the test inquiry in IndiaMART so that I can show you that how we can set up this automation and this workflow between IndiaMART and WhatsApp for sending automated WhatsApp messages to industrial plants and machinery IndiaMART inquiries. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate the test inquiry, and for that I need to take you back to my IndiaMART account. And here in this Push API integration window, I can see I have this option of test your webhook listener URL. So here by clicking on this button, I can generate the test lead and I'm going to click here. And now I have this button of test and it is connected with this webhook URL. So as I'm going to click on this test button, then automatically the response of the test inquiry will be sent to this webhook URL. So this is the webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So automatically the response of the test inquiry will be sent to Pabbly Connect. And in the real time, whenever I will receive a new inquiry for my business, then automatically it will be sent to Pabbly Connect too. Now I'm going to click on test. And here I have sent the test data. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. Now here we can see that this is my test response. And in this we can see I have all these details of my inquiry. So here first I have the status that is success. I have my unique query ID. Also I have the subject that is requirement for empty mineral water bottle. And in this I have this product name. So this is a random product. This is not a listed product on my IndiaMART account, or that is for my business. Also here I have my sender state that is Uttar Pradesh. I have the random pin code of my sender. I have the random phone number. I have the name of my sender that is Prabhat. I have the random mobile number of my sender. And also I have all these other details of my sender. So here I have the email address of my sender. I have the country code that is IN, which is for India. I have the sender company name that is ABC Private Limited. I have the sender city that is Noida. And I have the sender address that is Sector 135, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. So this is a random address for my lead. And also in this, I have all these other details of my inquiry. Now here I have my product name that is mineral water bottle, and I have my query message. So I'm going to first expand this tab, and here this is my message that says, I want to purchase an empty mineral water bottle. Kindly send me the price and other details. Here the quantity is going to be around 1 lakh pieces. Probable order value is going to be of 10 to 20 lakhs, and probable requirement type is business use. So here we can see I have received all these details, and now as I have received all the detail of my inquiry from IndiaMART, what I need to do is I need to automatically send an automated WhatsApp message to my inquiry or to my lead. Now here I have generated the test inquiry, but in the real time when you will receive the new inquiry for your IndiaMART account, you will automatically receive the same response in Pabbly Connect. So every time you are going to receive a new response for your business through IndiaMART, then automatically you will receive the response of that inquiry in Pabbly Connect. Now here I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my lead or to my inquiry, and for that I need to use Wati. So here by using Wati, I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp messages to my IndiaMART inquiries. And now for that, what I need to do is I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I need to search for my action application, that is going to be Wati. So I'm going to search for that, and I need to select Wati here. Now I have to give my action event, so I'm going to open this tab, and send template message will be my action event, so I'm going to select this. And I'm going to connect Wati with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection, and now for connecting Wati with Pabbly Connect, I need to give my API endpoint and the access token. So how I'm going to get all these details? For that, I need to first log into my Wati account, and as I will get to Wati dashboard, I need to go to API docs, and I will find my required details like the API endpoint and the access token. So for this, let me take you to Wati, and here in Wati, I need to go to API docs. And here in API docs, we can see I have these two details of access token and API endpoint. So what I need to do is I need to copy all these details and I need to paste that in Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to do the same, and I'm going to copy these details and I'm going to paste that in Pabbly Connect. Now here I have added the required details. Now what I need to do is I need to click on save. And here we can see I have connected Wati with Pabbly Connect. Now here what I need to do is I need to first give the WhatsApp number of my inquiry or my IndiaMART lead. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my response of IndiaMART, and from my IndiaMART response I'm going to map the detail of my WhatsApp number or the mobile number of my lead or my inquiry, and I'm going to map that here in this tab. So here what I need to do is I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here, and here I need to give the WhatsApp number of my sender or lead or inquiry. So I'm going to search for the mobile number here, and here this is the mobile number of my lead. And now here in WhatsApp number, what we can see is I need my WhatsApp number in this particular format. So here in this WhatsApp number, what I need to do is I need to clear this +91 and this dash. And as I'm going to exclude this from my WhatsApp number, I'm going to get the mobile number of my lead, and after excluding that, I can add the 91, which is my country code. So here for excluding this, what I need to do is I need to use a tool that Pabbly Connect offers, and that is text formatter by Pabbly. So here for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one more actions tab, and here I'm going to search for text formatter by Pabbly. So I'm going to search for that. And now I have to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and split text will be my action event here. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect text formatter by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. And now here I have to give my text to split, separator and segment index. So first I'm going to map my text to split, and here I'm going to map the mobile number of my inquiry. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to again search for the mobile number. And here this is the mobile number, so I'm going to map this. Now I have to give the separator, and here for the separator I'm going to use this dash. So in the separator I'm going to give the dash, and now by using this dash I'm going to exclude the mobile number and the country code. Now what I need to do is I need to give my segment index. So I'm going to open this tab. So I'm going to select second here, and now by using second as my segment index, I can get the WhatsApp number, and I will exclude +91 and dash from my WhatsApp number. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request button, and here we can see I have received this response. So in the response I have the result, and in the result I can see I have my mobile number of my inquiry. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this mobile number, and I'm going to map that in my tab of Wati. So I'm going to open my tab of Wati, and I'm going to clear this WhatsApp number, and now I'm going to map my mobile number from my text formatter by Pabbly response. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I'm going to map the mobile number. Now for completing my WhatsApp number, I need to add the country code, that is 91. So I have added that, and now for sending the message on WhatsApp, I need to first select my template. So here for the template, I need to again take you to Vati, and now I need to go to templates. And here in templates, we will see all the templates that we have created in our Vati account. And now if you haven't created any template, then what you need to do is you need to click on this new template message button. And after clicking here, you need to follow all the instruction. And after following all the instruction, you need to customize the message that you want to send to your IndiaMART inquiry. And after customizing the message, you need to take the approval of your template from Vati. So here I have already created this template, that is IndiaMART 2, and I have taken the approval here. So I'm going to show you this template. And here this is my template, and in this I have customized this message. So here this is going to be my automated message that I want to send to all my leads that I'm going to receive as an inquiry through IndiaMART. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this template, and here I have this broadcast title of none. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect, and now for selecting my template I need to open this tab, and here I have this particular template of IndiaMART 2, so I'm going to select this, and now I need to give my broadcast name. So as we have seen in my template, I have broadcast title as none. So I'm going to type my broadcast name as none 2. Now what I need to do is I need to give my custom params. So I need to again take you back to Vati where I have my template. And here in my template, I have these two variables, that is of name and the product. So these variables are going to get replaced all the time as I'm going to receive a new inquiry. And from my inquiry, I'm going to receive the name of my sender or the name of my product for which I have received the inquiry. So all these details are going to get replaced all the time as I'm going to receive the new responses. And here in my template, I have created these variables. So these variables are my custom params, and I need to add this in my tab of custom param in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And now for giving my custom params, what I need to do is I need to use this format. So my custom params are always going to be in name value pair. So here what I need to do is I need to first copy this format. I will paste that here in this tab. And now here what I need to do is I need to give the name of my variable and I need to give the value. So first I'm going to clear this color, and I have my first variable of name. So I'm going to type that here. And now I need to give my value. So I'm going to clear blue here. And now in the value, what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the name of my sender or my lead. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the name of my sender. So I'm going to use this IndiaMART response. And here this is my sender name. So I'm going to map this. Now I need to give my second variable. I need to again use this format, but I need to separate that by using a comma. So I'm going to give a comma here, and I'm going to paste this format one more time. Now again I'm going to give the name of my variable. So I'm going to clear this company, and here the second variable is of product. So I'm going to type that. And now I have to give the value. So I'm going to clear this MB, and I'm going to map the name of my product. So here this is the product of my inquiry. Now here I have mapped all the required details. And as I've mapped all these details, I have made all these details dynamic. So what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new response of a new inquiry through IndiaMART, then automatically all these details that I've mapped here are going to get replaced with the new detail in the real time. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test to Git button. And here we can say I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent a new message on WhatsApp to my IndiaMART inquiry. So to check whether I've sent a message on WhatsApp to my inquiry or not, let me open WhatsApp. And here on WhatsApp, we can see I have received this new message. So I'm going to open this. And here this is my message that says, "Hello Prabhat. So this was the name of my sender, or this was the name of my lead. Thank you for inquiry about mineral water bottles. So this was the name of my product. Through IndiaMART, we appreciate your interest in our business. One of our representatives will contact you shortly with more details. In the meantime, feel free to reply to this message if you have any specific questions. Best regards, Team Pabbly." So here we can see that this was my message on my template, and automatically by using that template from Vati, I send this automated message on WhatsApp to my lead or the inquiry that I've received through IndiaMART. So here we can see that I've successfully created this automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp. Now every time I'm going to receive a new inquiry or a new lead for my industrial plants and machinery business, then automatically I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to my inquiry. So here I have successfully created this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have connected IndiaMART and Vati to automatically send automated WhatsApp messages to industrial plants and machinery IndiaMART inquiries. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I set up my trigger, and my trigger application was IndiaMART, and my trigger event was new leads. Then I've set up my action steps, and first I've used text formatter by Pabbly to split the text, and in the last I have used Vati, and here my action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.